Welcome to the Health Guide, your go-to place for living a healthier, longer, and happier life. Today, we're diving into something truly transformative: fasting for 36 hours. Yep, you heard that right. This isn't just about skipping meals. It's like pressing the ultimate reset button on your body. You'll not only shed those extra pounds, but also boost your health and maybe even add a few extra years to your life. Stick with me as I break it down in a way that's super easy to follow. No myths, no confusion, just straight up benefits for your body. Let's get started, shall we? 1. The benefits of a 36-hour fast, a cellular reboot. Imagine giving your body a complete reboot, like turning your computer off and on again when it's running slow. That's what a 36-hour fast does for your system. During this time, your body focuses on a cool process called autophagy. Think of it as sending your cells to a high-tech repair shop. Your body starts clearing out old, damaged cells and sprucing them up so they work better than ever. It's like a deep clean for your insides. But here's where it gets even better. This isn't a one-and-done deal. Regular fasting can keep your cells younger, reduce the risk of age-related diseases, and make you feel like a well-oiled machine. It's a total health reset that keeps giving long after you're done fasting. So, what are you waiting for? Let's give those cells the makeover they deserve. 2. Building endurance for your metabolism. Think of fasting like training for a marathon. You wouldn't just dive into the race without a little preparation, right? It's the same with a 36-hour fast. Start small with 16 or 24-hour fasts and gradually work your way up. This is like training your metabolism, giving your body time to adjust so the whole experience feels way more manageable. You'll go from nervous to ninja, in control of your hunger and energy levels. And guess what? By easing into fasting, you'll dodge those nasty headaches and cravings that can sometimes come with big changes. You'll also start to tune into your body's true hunger signals, making you feel more in control. Suddenly, fasting feels less like a challenge and more like a secret superpower for boosting your metabolism. Progress has never been so painless. 3. Blood pressure benefits. Recalibrate your cardiovascular system. Imagine your heart getting a mini spa day. That's what a 36-hour fast can do for your cardiovascular system. If you've been dealing with high blood pressure, this fast can help recalibrate your heart and give it the break it needs. Picture your heart sighing with relief as it naturally lowers those blood pressure numbers. And hey, if you're on medication or have other health concerns, just keep an eye on things. Your body is amazing at adapting, and soon enough, you'll notice a steady improvement. Fasting isn't just about weight loss, it's about fine-tuning your heart health too. The results? A more relaxed, more efficient cardiovascular system. Sounds like a win to me. 4. Stabilizing blood sugar. Avoid the roller coaster. We've all been there, the roller coaster of sugar highs followed by energy crashes. It's no fun, right? Well, fasting can put a stop to that ride for good. By giving your body a break from constant eating, you improve your insulin sensitivity. This means your body can handle sugar much better, keeping your blood sugar levels steady. No more sugar spikes and crashes, just smooth sailing ahead. Imagine having consistent energy throughout the day, fewer cravings, and better overall health. Sounds like a dream, right? With fasting, you're giving your body the reset it needs to handle sugar like a pro. More energy, fewer crashes. It's a total game changer. 5. Achieving ketogenesis, the ultimate fat-burning mode. Let's talk fat loss because we know it's on your mind. When you fast for 36 hours, you're not just burning calories. You're pushing your body into ketogenesis, the ultimate fat-burning mode. Once your body runs out of glycogen, the sugar stored in your liver, it starts burning fat for energy. And this isn't just any kind of fat burning, it's the ultimate fat-burning mode. Not only does this help you lose weight, but it also reduces inflammation and gives your brain and muscles clean, sustained energy. Plus, your mind will feel clearer than ever before. You're not just burning fat, you're optimizing your body for maximum performance. 6. The power of ketones. Fuel for body and brain. Here's where it gets even cooler. When you're in ketosis, your body starts using ketones as fuel instead of glucose. Think of ketones as premium-grade fuel for your brain and body. You'll feel more mentally sharp, physically energized, and ready to tackle anything. It's like running your body on the most efficient fuel possible. You'll notice that not only are you shedding pounds, but you're also thinking clearer and performing better. Who wouldn't want to feel this good? It's like unlocking a whole new level of brain and body power. 7. Preparing for a 3-day fast. Metabolic training wheels. Mastering the 36-hour fast is like using training wheels before a 3-day fast. Once you've nailed this, a longer fast won't feel nearly as daunting. You're teaching your body to be metabolically flexible, meaning it can easily switch between burning carbs and fats for fuel. And that metabolic flexibility is key for long-term health. The best part? Once you've gotten the hang of it, you'll feel more energetic and less hungry, even on longer fasts. Your metabolism will be working like a finely tuned machine. Get ready to crush those long-term health goals. 8. Breaking through weight loss plateaus. Hit a weight loss plateau? Don't sweat it. We've all been there. But fasting for 36 hours can give your body the jump start it needs to push through that barrier. It's like waking up your metabolism and saying, hey, it's time to get moving. Once your body shakes things up, you'll start burning more fat and resetting your metabolic rate. It's the fresh start your weight loss journey has been waiting for, and suddenly progress is back in sight. And who doesn't love the feeling of breaking through a plateau with renewed motivation? 9. Easing into ketosis. Bye-bye keto flu. The keto flu can be a total buzzkill when trying to get into ketosis. But here's the good news. Fasting can help you slip into ketosis without the usual keto flu symptoms. Gradually extending your fast helps your body adjust to burning fat for energy, making the transition smoother. You'll avoid the headaches, fatigue, and brain fog that often come with starting keto. It's like taking the express lane into fat-burning mode. No traffic jams here. Skip the discomfort and jump straight into the benefits of ketosis. You're welcome. 10. Mental health benefits. Fasting for clarity and balance. Here's a bonus you might not have expected. Fasting is also fantastic for your mental health. That's right. Not only does fasting help with physical health, but it can also promote emotional balance and mental clarity. You'll feel more centered, less stressed, and better able to handle whatever life throws your way. Mental health is just as important as physical health, and fasting can help you find that balance between the two. Imagine feeling more in control, more focused, and more at peace. Who wouldn't want that? Before we move on, I'd love to hear from you. Are you enjoying the video so far? Have you heard of these benefits before? If you're finding this helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're loving what you're learning. Let's keep this conversation going in the comments below. 11. Resetting your relationship with food. Fasting isn't just a break from eating. It's a chance to reset your relationship with food. Over time, many of us develop a reliance on sugar, junk food, or mindless snacking. Fasting helps you step back and recognize what real hunger feels like versus emotional cravings. You'll start craving healthier foods and naturally move away from the junk. It's like hitting the reset button on your diet, helping you build a more mindful and healthy relationship with what you eat. And trust me, your body will thank you for it. 12. Boosting metabolic health. If you're struggling with issues like insulin resistance or metabolic syndrome, fasting can be a game changer. By giving your body a break from constant eating, you're letting it reset and repair itself. Fasting improves how your metabolism handles everything from sugar to fat, making it work more efficiently. And the best part? This isn't about extreme deprivation. It's about balance and giving your body a chance to thrive. With fasting, your metabolism becomes your biggest ally in your health journey. 13. Fasting for long-term health. Fasting isn't some crazy, extreme diet. It's a sustainable way to boost your long-term health. Whether it's intermittent fasting or the 5:2 method, incorporating regular fasts into your routine can deliver long-lasting benefits without feeling like you're constantly restricting yourself. Once you find your rhythm, fasting becomes a part of your lifestyle. It's a simple, yet powerful tool to maintain your health and well-being for the long haul. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. 14. Healing beyond food. Breaking modern addictions. These days, it's not just food that we're addicted to. Social media, notifications, and the constant need for instant gratification are taking their toll. Fasting isn't just about giving your body a break from food. It's about breaking free from modern distractions and regaining focus. It's like a full body reset, physically, mentally, and emotionally. You'll find yourself more present, more mindful, and more in control of your time and energy. It's not just about what you're not eating, it's about what you're gaining: clarity, focus, and peace. Ready to make the change? So, what's holding you back? You've got all the tools to transform your health with a simple 36-hour fast. From fat burning to mental clarity, the benefits are just too good to ignore. The real question is, are you ready to take that step and feel better than ever? Because once you start, there's no going back to feeling sluggish or out of sync. You'll be on a whole new level of health and happiness. And trust me, it's worth every bit of effort. Are you ready to give a 36-hour fast a try? Have you fasted before? How was your experience? Drop a comment below. I can't wait to hear about your journey. And if you're excited to take control of your health and happiness, make sure to subscribe to the Health Guide. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more tips for living a longer, healthier, and happier life. It's time to apply this knowledge and see the change.